Hello, everyone. Good day. Thanks for joining in again. We've been on a series of this Bota hats class. So, as you can see on the video, I'm just applying my UHU gum on that part. I'm applying it generously. Okay, you make sure you apply it generously and you wait a little bit, like 1 to 2 minutes. Let's say 1 minute is okay for it to get sticky before you start placing it on the down of the base. Okay, so make sure you are pressing it down very well and make sure it's very neat. Okay, the essence of this is to make the edge of our base to be very, very neat, to be smooth, not to be rough. Okay, and make sure you are pressing it down properly to make your work look very, very neat. All right, so just watch the video and follow the steps I'm taking on it, and I know you will achieve a very nice finishing. Can you see what we've done? This is so beautiful. All right, so beautiful, isn't it? It's very beautiful. So I want to use this opportunity to appreciate all my subscribers. Thank you for subscribing. I love you guys. Thanks. And to everyone that has not subscribed, I hope you are getting value, and after getting the value, and I hope you are going to subscribe, right? I'm looking forward to that. And I'm also looking forward to your comments. Please watch the video carefully. Just do the same thing I'm doing, and I know you are going to achieve a very nice finishing. Okay, and don't hesitate to go back to gum any place that is not properly gum. All right, so we are going to be working on our crown now. We want to lining it. All right, this I'm using the same fabric to lining it to make the inside very neat. Okay, so what I'm doing here, the fabric I have here, I'm having 13 inches by 13 inches. All right, I'm having 13 inches by 13 inches. So I'm going to be placing the right side of the fabric up. So the right side of this fabric is going to face me, while the wrong side is going to face down. All right, so after then you just apply your UHU gum. I will always say generously. All right, apply it generously and wait for it to be sticky. And when you're applying it, don't apply it on the material there. We are not working on that yet. We are just working on the lining. All right, so you are going to wait a little for it to get sticky, then you start placing your lining neatly. Okay, begin to fix it excuse me, begin to place it nicely. Use your hand to make sure you are just flattening it out. Flatten it, flatten it. Make sure it's smooth. Okay, try to make sure you place it neatly. So you are going to be using your hand to do this. All right, so just watch what I'm doing on the video. You will get it. If your gum is not enough, don't hesitate to apply more. Okay, so that your work will be very, very neat. All right, so you see what I'm doing on the video. I'm trying to use my hand to place it properly, to smoothen it out, to make sure it's relaxing on the carry board. Okay, so You see again, I'm applying my UHU gum on the place that probably the gum has dried up. So after that, you are going to cut out the lining. You are cutting out only the lining now, not the crown, not the material we use for the crown. I'm working on the lining. So I'm not cutting out the outer fabric, just the inner lining. That is what I'm cutting out, okay? Just watch closely, you will understand what I'm doing. And I hope I'm going to see your work. I'm going to see your butter hat, and I hope yours is going to be finer than mine. Just watch closely. Can you see this? Isn't this neat? Just follow what I do here and you will get same result or better still. Okay? If you have not subscribed to my channel and you've watched up to this extent, please, I beg you to subscribe, comment and like so that others can get value from the video. Okay? So we are still working on the crown. What we are going to be doing now, I'm going to be folding the main fabric now. That is the outer one now. So as you can see on the video, I'm just applying my gum again. Apply my gum on that now. Make sure you apply it generously, all right? Make sure you are generous about that. I will always say that, okay? So after that, we are just going to wait a little for it to get sticky. Then after that, we'll bend it inside just to get a nice finishing. Okay? Make sure you are folding it neatly. Make sure it's very, very neat, alright? So if you have any question, just drop it on the comment section and I will answer all of the question. Wherever is not clear to you, ask. But if you think what you ask, if I think what you ask is on the video, please, I will not go to that question. Just try to watch the video over and over. And I think the video is so detailed. I took my time to make this video so detailed. Okay, so all I just need from you now is to give me a nice comment. At least give me a nice comment to encourage me, alright? Comment, like, and share. That is all I just ask, and it won't take anything from you, alright? So now we are done with the crown. We are going to be placing it on our base now. Did you see what I did there? I'll place it and I'm going to be applying my UHU gum on that part. Okay? I'm going to apply my UHU gum. Please make sure you are generous about this. I will always say this. Make sure you are generous, alright? In order for the base to stick to the crown, alright? And make sure your work is neat. Make sure your work is neat, even while being generous about your gum, but make sure you are applying it with wisdom so that your gum will not mess up your work. Alright, so you just wait a little bit, allow the gum to be sticky, then you start pressing it down. Isn't this beautiful? Our butter hat is already getting set. Alright, so just do this. It's going to take you some time, but make sure you are patient. Okay, hold it down, hold it down very well, hold it down. all right, for it to stick to the crown. Just continue doing this until you feel or until you see that yes, it is okay. Can you see this? Our butter hat is almost ready. Okay, so beautiful. Can you see this? Wow, this is wow. Please, I want to get comment from you. If you know this video was really, really helpful, I want to get a nice comment from you. And if you have watched to this extent, you have not subscribed, and now. And if you know you have gotten value, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much. I know you will do that. All right. All right. We are going to be working on our velvet ribbon. This enables the butter hat to hold to our head. You just use this velvet ribbon to tie it. So what I'm doing here, I'm trying to place it where I want it to be. Okay, and as you can see on the video, I'm placing the right part on the butter hat. I'm going to be applying my gum on the right side, and what I'm having here, I think I'm having about 12 to 13 inches. That's what I'm having here. So depending on how long you want yours to be, okay, so if you want it not to be too long, you can cut 10 or 12. All right, so I'm applying my gum. Sorry, I think I'm using candle gum here because I want it to hold very well. So I decide to use my electric gum here. So what I tried explaining here, depending on where you want your uh where you want your bow to be, if you want it to be at the side, that determines where you are going to be placing your velvet ribbon, because you are going to be tying it on your head. But just watch closely, you will understand what I'm doing here. So I'm already facing my velvet ribbon, and make sure you use your candle to burn the edges of the velvet ribbon. Okay, isn't this neat? We are almost at the end of this class. Thanks for watching. Bye.